10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3.
4, 3.
Time, knee, itch.
Go!
Go, 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 go! Yes! Yes, come on. Come on!
Nobody belongs here. It's just so cold.
Tomorrow is the day of our big push.
I'm nervous.
The only time that the conditions get good is at night.
We're just getting to the hardest pitches.
I want to be pushing the limits all the time.
You definitely earned the name Scandy.
Sketchy Andy, the most dangerous person I know. He's so out there, so crazy.
I've spent 30 years ice climbing now, and I've never seen anything like this. Icicles hanging as far as your eye can see.
It's a bit mad and a bit futuristic.
The speed record on the nose of El Capitan. The most badass competition there is.
All these amazing climbers have raced up the nose.
I can show you 10 places on the wall where you can die.
I'm swinging!
What we're doing
No gear, don't fall.
isn't like the way you want to teach rock climbing.
My name's Ashima and I'm 9 years old. I love the feeling of trying something really hard.
When I see her do these things, it's super emotional for me. Like all the hard work and all the laughing and tears, it's all been worth it.
It is the way humans are, that we want to one-up each other or be number one.
You guys think Hans is gonna come back?
I don't give a about Hans. Want to break your camera, dude?
Really? Are you really gonna do that? Really?
And hopefully we can stay safe doing this to a certain extent.
I'm good.
The dream is here. The dream is real now.
Damn, I love this.
It's so dicey and insecure.
It's a monumental project.
It's part insanity and part genius.